everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're now watching episode 3 of the Arunachal and Spiti travel series. So episode 2 released last week where I showed the places to visit in Tawang. So please go ahead and check it out. We were now in Tawang and this place was just too beautiful and peaceful. Well, my day started by listening to the chirping of birds, which was very relaxing, and with a lot of fresh air, which you know is very difficult to get in other parts of India. And of course, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time I put on a video.
कुछ न कुछ तो गड़बड़ जरूर है।
It was not easy to find this hotel as we had to come down the mountain and there was absolutely nothing around and no landmarks, which is why for location I would give it a 3-star. Rooms were very clean and the property was well maintained. There weren't many guests staying there, so it was really peaceful and clean, which is why for cleanliness I would give it a 4-star.
देख देख तू यहाँ वहाँ न फेंक देख फैलेगी बीमारी होगा सबका बुरा हाल।
तो क्या करें भैया?
गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल, गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल।
There were no restaurants around, so we tried the food in the hotel. I mean, the food could be better, which is why I would give it a 3-star. Amenities and hospitality would give it a 4-star. The staff were very sweet and there were heaters in every room. Overall, would give this hotel a 3-star.
चल 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 चल। गाड़ी स्टार्ट कर। चल चप्पल छूट गया। हम फर्स्ट। स्टार्ट। हम फर्स्ट। गाड़ी चला।
I was looking forward to the next stop. It was Nuranang waterfall, fondly called as Bong Bong waterfalls by the locals. Located in the Tawang district, this 100-meter tall waterfall is a serene beauty. But the catch to this is you will need to walk down for around 10 to 20 minutes to reach this place, and the steps are a bit slippery here and there. This fall gets its name from the nearby village called Jung village, which is just 2 kilometers away, and there is a very big hydro plant near the waterfall from where the nearby villagers get electricity. We were now heading towards Bomtila and had to pass by Sela Pass again. We were really hoping we would see some snow this time.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in.
This brings us to the end of episode 3. If you like my content or found it helpful to plan your trip, please do let me know in the comment section. Also, please do like my videos and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in episode 4.